Hello guys, welcome back to Excel Largo Trader. If you are new to our channel, please like and subscribe. Yes guys, this is our dashboard. Yes, you can see here this is our dashboard, and I'll just tell you step by step how to do algo trading. And this is our breakout strategy. Which strategy you have to select? Here you have to select for the breakout strategy. And next step, this was the first step, which you have to turn on the live trade and set the date, today's date. If you want any additional stock, just turn off. It is off. If you want any additional stock, turn on this, and you can add your additional stocks like Infosys, banks, any HDFC Bank, S Bank, whichever you want. And index futures and options. If you want to trade in index futures and options, you can just turn on this. If you want to trade in any MCX, you have to turn on this. Okay, this, if you turn on all these things and if you set this step by step, everything goes automatically. And make sure you have written a perfect and accurate expiry date, weekly expiry and monthly expiry. You have to mention accuracy here, or else this will not work. Okay guys, we'll come back for breakout strategy now. I mean, this is a breakout strategy we have to select here. This is the second step of next strategy selection. And just come back to market watch. Here you can see market watch. You have to go for the start button, just copy, and from here just paste it. Okay, control V. Okay guys, next, this is the order book. This is where our order gets fired or order get executed automatically. You can see here our orders getting executed, and you can see your profit and loss here, MTM, which order type you are doing, and what order ID, trading symbol, whatever is there, everything will record here automatically. Okay guys, we'll come back for breakout strategy now. This is our breakout strategy. We'll update at the time of 10 o'clock morning. Okay guys, yes, today almost market was very bearish. So on 5th only November, on 5th November only, we said you that keep holdings for sale and market will definitely fall. Okay guys, because of some elections in Maharashtra, so market is falling. Okay, after this election, market will start recovering automatically. Okay guys, we'll come back for Nifty. I'll just do a back test today how our Nifty, bank Nifty, call option, put option, everything worked today 100%ly. In WhatsApp group also, many people have sent a screenshot showing they have made the profit, 100% profit they have made today. So not only today, always. Okay guys, I'll just show you a cross check of Nifty today. Nifty 50. Yes guys, this was our breakout strategy. I have marked it everything now, just to make it little earlier soon. And our breakout strategy is selling buy at 233, 24,233. I've marked here. This you can see here 24,233, and sell was generated at 120. It is 24,120, and green indicates buy and red indicates for sell. Okay guys, this is where our, in this point, somewhere in this point, or sell was generated here. So I said you, after so long market have fallen today. Market was totally bearish today. So at the time of 12:30, our breakout strategy got sell level here, and market fall down, and it was totally bearish. Just market how many points, almost 280 points market was down today from our breakout levels. Okay guys, now next we'll come back for Nifty futures. You'll see here what our breakout strategy is telling in Nifty futures. It is 24,314. Yes, I'm just recording this to show you in live. And this is a Nifty futures 214 here, 24,314. Let's show you this 24,314 buy level, and sell was generated at 190. I've marked here as 24,190. Here sell was generated in our breakout strategy. Here somewhere here the sell was generated, and see how our market had fallen after our breakout strategy, almost to 274 points. Okay guys, next we'll come back to Nifty call options. We'll check out from here in our breakout strategy in Excel Algo Trader. This is Nifty call option. Strike price is 24,000 and buy was generated at 442 and sell was generated at 370. Okay guys, we'll just mark Nifty call option. We'll open the candle chart of Nifty call option, and yes, you guys, you can see here 442 buy was generated by this green is for buy is for 442 and green is for 317. Yes guys, you can see here, I'll just show you. This is 370. Nifty 28th November, strike price is 24,000. Here you can see this is a Nifty call option. Sell is here for 370. Okay guys, 370. Yes guys, here our sell was generated in Nifty call option, almost 154 points. Yes guys, in WhatsApp on 5th November by 2 o'clock only we had message that market will fall, 100% market will fall. We have already said you on 5th November. Yes guys, I'm just showing you here on 5th November by 2 o'clock we already said you that market will fall. Okay guys, now next we'll come back for Nifty put options. Here Nifty put option, buy generated 179 and sell was generated by at 133. Nifty will open the chart of Nifty put option, and as guys you can see here sell, just yes guys, here this is Nifty put option, strike price 24,000 and I'll just show you here Nifty 179 buy was generated. Obviously in put option, if there is a bearish in call option, there is a bullish in put option. Okay, here our sell was generated, buy was generated here in put option. Yes guys, here in the put option buy was generated and market went up almost 114 points from our breakout strategy in put option. Okay guys, we'll see next Bank Nifty. We'll open the chart of Bank Nifty and let's see Bank Nifty. Buy was generated at 169, like 52,169 and sell was generated at 51,798. Yes guys, this is Bank Nifty. Yes guys, here exactly 789 I have mentioned here. I'll show you here. So in Bank Nifty guys, buy was generated at 52,169 and sell is generated at the rate of 51,798. Okay guys, marked it and I'll show you here. Sell is 798 and buy is 169. Yes guys, you can see here, and here our sell is generated in Bank Nifty and market went down after our sell levels. After giving our sell levels, you can see here almost 713 points market went down, and here also we have said that Nifty and Bank Nifty definitely will fall. We have already said in WhatsApp group that on 5th November at 2 o'clock, exactly by 2 o'clock, we said that market will definitely fall down. We'll see Nifty futures, and buy is at 349 and sell is at 990. Nifty futures will open that candle of Nifty futures 990 for sell and buy is for 349. Yes guys, you can see here 349. Yes, you can see here 349 and sell is for 990. I have marked here. See, this is our breakout strategy guys. This will go, everything go automatically if you follow this step by step. Okay guys, here our sell was generated here in Bank Nifty also in futures, and market was totally bearish. Okay guys, here next we'll go for Nifty put call option. Nifty call option is open. Now I'll go for Bank Nifty put option. Bank Nifty put option, buy was 1221 and sell was at 976. Just remember, Nifty call option, $12.21 and sell is for 976. Yes guys, you can see here market gave sell in Nifty call option also. If there is a bearish in Nifty call option, there will be a bullish in Nifty put option. So we'll go for Nifty put options. I'm just showing you how our breakout strategy works every day. I'm making video not only to earn money from YouTube. That's not our intention to make a YouTube money. We are just doing this video for demo purpose for a new user. Okay guys, here in Bank Nifty put option, here Bank Nifty put option, buy was generated. Yes guys, you can see here in Bank Nifty put option, here buy was generated in our breakout strategy. Okay guys, I'm just showing you a Bank Nifty put option and strike price is 51,400. This is a breakout strategy where a buy was generated in our Bank Nifty put option. Yes guys, you can see here market went up in Bank Nifty put option. Obviously there is a bearish in call option, means there will be a bullish in put option. Okay guys, this is how our breakout strategy works. And guys, I'll just show you how a market fall from our 5th of November. Yes guys, there is a 5th of November by here. See, almost this is a Bank Nifty put option. Okay guys, this is our breakout strategy. Hope you like this, and if you want any free demo, you can go to a website called www.excelorgotrader.in, and you can just call us or join our free WhatsApp group also. Okay guys, thank you, have a nice day, goodbye.